Welcome to DJH Preston Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Insignia. It's the VXR line, lovely condition. As you can see, finished in panther black. The lovely alloy wheels on it. We've got privacy glass, diamond cut alloys. It's got the VXR line body styling kit all around the car. It's a diesel. It's had the timing belt done as well. So it's had all the good stuff done, ready to go. Rear spoiler there. Nice half leather interior. Got the carpet mats, electric windows, electric mirrors. It's done 95,407 miles. Makes it really price rangey. Cruise control, automatic headlights. Starts up lovely. Aircon's blowing lovely and cold. Got lane assist, 6-speed gearbox. Nice centre armrest. USB there. Satellite navigation. Got the full one-link touch screen on the car. Bluetooth connectivity. DAB. Bluetooth. All your climate control. Everything's all there. Drives lovely. At DJH, we provide full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.